What kind of fairy?
The baby fairy.
Oh,
I better have and Tissy's in there.
there's what in there?
Tissy's maybe. Looking for you.
Oh,
You.
it's not. It says, "Dear Adriana, I know you are excited to see your new baby brother, and I'm sure that you're going to be a wonderful big sister. I wanted you to know that I think you are really special. This gift is for you, and someday you might want to share it with baby Barrett. You can read to him, show him the pictures, and teach him how to take care of books and toys. Love, the baby fairy." Check it out. What is it?
Toys.
Oh my goodness.
I want to be frosted. Oh, I love you, toys.
I love you, Jethro.
What are they?
Toys.
What kind of toys?
I don't know.
These are enough for you.
Those are pretty cool.
I don't see nothing here.
There is.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What are those? Yeah?
Oh.
Cool. So now you have new bedtime stories that you could read to Barrett. Does that sound good? Oh, what's that?
I don't know. Crocodile.
Looks like an alligator.
Alligator. I love this alligator. I love you, toy. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Should we tell the baby fairy thank you?
Love you, Berry Fairy. Thank you.